Change the size of virtual memory. To view the Charms bar, point to the upper right or lower right of the screen. On the Charms bar, click Search. Under Windows System, click Control Panel. Click System and Security. Click System. In the left navigation pane, click Advanced System Settings. Select the Advanced tab. In the Performance area, click Settings. Select the Advanced tab. In the Virtual Memory area, click Change. Deselect the Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives checkbox. In the Paging File Size for each drive list box, select the appropriate drive letter. Select the Custom Size radio button. In the Initial Size field, enter the appropriate value. In the Maximum Size field, enter the appropriate value. Click Set. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. This is the process to change the size of virtual memory.